Hey guys, just a small update about Google professional certificates. Google offers 5 professional certificates in data analytics, project management, UX design, IT support and IT automation. And these certifications are 6 months long and it can prepare you for the entry level job in their respective fields. And if you'd like to explore these professional certifications which can help you get a job, I'll leave the link in description. Do check it out. In this video, we'll be seeing about a free digital marketing course that is offered by Google. So the title of this course is Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, and as you can get from the name, in this course you will learn all the basics of digital marketing from the people who have worked in Google. And after completing this course, you can also get a Google verified certification as well. So this is a verified course, so make use of it. And Google has associated with IAB and the Open University to offer this Fundamentals of Digital Marketing course, in which basically you have 40 hours of video content and 26 modules, and it's a beginner level program. So even if you do not know anything about digital marketing, you can enroll in this course and learn about the basics of digital marketing. And it's completely free, as I mentioned earlier. And the course features are this course is IAB accredited, and you have a lot of video tutorials, and as I said, all these are created and delivered by Google trainers, so it's going to be very good. And you have unlimited access to the course, so you can complete it whenever you want, and you'll get a recognized certification, as I mentioned earlier. So make use of it, and this is how your certificate will look like. And these are the benefits. So by taking this course and getting this certificate, you can improve your resume, and with this you can find a job, you can grow your career, you can start your own digital marketing business. So this course will be helpful to everything. Make use of it. And this is how this program works. First you need to watch the videos, and then there will be little quizzes here and there. You have to attend those quizzes, and at the end of the course you need to take an assessment which will have 40 questions, and you have to pass that assessment. And after that you can download the certificate from Google. It's a verified certificate, you can make use of it. And here they have also listed what are the 26 modules which will be covered in this fundamentals of digital marketing course. So you can also go through these things if you'd like to know what you'll exactly learn in this course. So make use of it, it's a valuable one, and these are the skills that you can develop. So now to enroll in this free digital marketing course of Google, you can simply click on this register button that you see here at the right top and log into your account. And once you are logged into your account, just click on this start course button and you will be automatically enrolled in, and you can start watching the videos. And after completing the course, you have to take the assessment, and then you can get your certificate. So it's a simple, straightforward process. If you do not know anything about digital marketing and if you'd like to dive into it, this is the right course with which you should start. So make use of it. I hope you'll definitely find this course useful. If you'd like to get more updates about free online courses, just make sure that you hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.